item number 9987 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a Daniels DMX 100 quad mixer. It's all stainless steel construction. Has double axing. Has double action mixing with both front, forward, and reverse. It has 4-position discharge. It's 4 brand new swivel locking casters, as well as a full cover with safety switch and timer. Here we'll switch it to forward and give you a demonstration. And we'll stop it. Switch to reverse. All new bearings, seals, to give this machine another life. And it also has, as I mentioned, the lid safety. So it automatically stops when you lift the lid. The lid has a lock for when you're adding product to it. Has the hopper lock here. You pull that, and you pull the lock here to actuate. I'll show you. Slide that out of the way. Rotates down until you get to the position desired. It locks in place there. And then if you want to deposit or discharge your product here, just press these 2 safety switches here, and that'll rotate those and push your product out. Again, this is item number 9987 with M&M Equipment Corp. This has recently been refurbished and ready to ship.